We had access for the first time to some of the best market research I've ever seen at ResMed.
We went into the market, talked to all our different customers to understand what's important to them.
And having that feedback was just the best design tool.
The S9 really is different from the other devices on the market. It's a very sleek design. It looks like it belongs on the bedside table, and I think that's really going to make patients more willing to embrace the therapy.
We don't want to do a medical device. We want to do something that people use in the home and that doesn't intimidate them, that doesn't frighten them, that doesn't make them feel sick, like a patient, more like a customer.
We really wanted to have a wow factor. We really wanted to take this away from what was medical and this thing that would embarrass you on your bedside table to something that was you're proud to own. You wanted to own this. In fact, you know, if your best friend just got one of these, you wanted one too, just to have it on your bedside table and sleep better at night.
While with this product, we completely started from scratch. So there's nothing that we reused from any other product before. Completely different design, completely different interior parts of it. The motor is new, the electronics is new, the software is new, the tubing is new. We invented the climate control part of the therapy, which is completely new, which nobody else has done before.
It's an automatic system. It's a system that allows you to put a bit of water in the humidifier, plug everything together and go to sleep.
Other elements of the device, like climate control, just make it super comfortable. The patient doesn't have to think about it. They just set a temperature and it's going to deliver air at the optimal temperature and humidity through the night.
We're measuring the temperature at the mask. Whatever happens to the air temperature, the temperature at the mask will stay the same because we're controlling it. The humidifier is controlling itself to give the right humidity at that temperature at the mask. With climate control, it's an irrelevance. The system will look after it for you.
At the heart of the product is the motor blower. It's the pump, if you like. It's the device that spins, pressurizes the air and directs it down the tube to your mask, into your airway, pressurizes your airway, keeps it open and so that you can be breathing healthily throughout the night.
But now we put this additional intelligence into the device, that the device can differentiate between different types of stopping breathing and different types of apneas. And the machine knows why you stopped breathing, you as a patient, and treats it differently. So that it really helps with the ease of mind. I don't have to worry, the machine cares for me.
The user interface now allows you to navigate via icons, a bit like your mobile phone. And it really has brought ResMed into the 21st century of consumer products rather than being a medical device company.
The motor blower in our product is very much quieter than its predecessors, so that not only is it putting less noise into the bedroom, but also it's putting a lot less noise down the tube to your mask.
The Climate Lung tube is a huge innovation. This one not only heats the air, but it measures what it's doing. It measures the air temperature at the mask. So it's a proper one.
And if you start with the end user, the patient, for them it's important that they just want to use the device. And we try to think about lots of different ways to make it easier for them, to make it that they want to use the product, that it's not something that I only do because my doctor told me to, but it's something I do because I want to do it.
And it'll really make a positive first impression on patients. Something that, when they show them what the therapy looks like, that the patient will be happy to take this home and have it on their bedside table.
And the idea of this sleep quality screen was to give the patient immediate feedback on their usage. So every morning when they wake up, they can get some feedback on how they're tracking.
The home care provider and the clinician, they're interested in how the patient used the device. And we obviously can't be in the home of the patient and look at them every day and talk to them every day how they used. So there are different levels of information in the device. It's like a little computer.
The S9 offers a whole new range of options for getting the data back to our customers. And one of the most important parts of getting patients compliant is the actual act of getting them compliant. But the next step is proving that compliance.
You want to treat the person well during the night, give them a healthy airway, healthy sleep, have a positive experience of dealing with the device. And you want the person to wake up in the morning feeling better. That's what it's all about.
think we've really achieved that with the S9. It's been a revolutionary leap from where we were in the past.
The S9 is going to be a fantastic leap forward for our customers.
This means something to thousands of people every day, and it changes their life, and that makes us really feel good about what we do. And we just enjoy what we're doing because we feel like it makes a difference, it matters.
Initially you see this thing on the computer screen, then you see one or two samples, and when you see them being made in the hundreds of thousands, it's quite a buzz, actually. It's very satisfying.